Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vertical AC units. Sliding window air conditioner. Air conditioners that fit a sliding window. You can install a sliding window air conditioner, and slide the window as close to the AC as possible, and use the kit to fill in the window gaps.
Let's help you make your mark.
5000 BTU-LW 5016. Number 1 LG 5000 BTU-LW 5016. Smallest LG window air conditioner. It can produce up to 5000 BTU cooling capacity, is very thin, and has a record high energy efficiency rating for such a small device. With the 11.13-inch height, the LG LW 5016 is the thinnest window AC unit on the market.
Let's help you make your mark.
Step 1. Remove your AC and find the center of your window. Expert tip. Be careful removing it from the box. Step 2. Open and prepare your window. Open your window. Step 3. Attach the side panels. Step 4. Insert your AC in the window. Step 5. Install L brackets. Step 6. Attach panels. Step 7. Secure unit and start cooling.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.